Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to create a purchase order in SAP without material code and with reference to a purchase requisition. So in my earlier videos I have created one purchase requisition. I will use the same reference purchase requisition to create a purchase order. So as for creating a purchase requisition, we have a T code of ME21N. From that T code, we can also do edit or display any purchase requisitions. The same way we have in purchase order. Purchase order T code for creation is ME21N. But this T code we can also edit any purchase order. Even we can display any purchase order. We will see how. Okay, now again we have here, we have two method to open up to create a purchase order. Okay, go to the logistic. Okay, navigate inside the material management. Under material management we will get purchasing. Okay, under purchasing we'll get purchase order, and here we have for create a purchase order we have ME21N. Okay, there are many methods. If you don't know the vendor at that time, how you can create a purchase order with a or you can automatically you can also create through purchase request. That the system needs to be done. So we will see a basic one. We will use the T code ME21N. I will double click on it. I will be redirected to a creation of purchase order window. Okay, and through T code ME21N we can go to the same window. Okay, so 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 there are many ways, like you can directly type. If you know the purchase requisition number, you can directly type over here the purchase requisition number, that is 611, which I have created in my last video, one purchase requisition. And that purchase requisition has only one line item. So here you can write the, you can choose यहाँ पे, if I increase it, here the purchase requisition number and the line item of the purchase requisition. Okay, there are many ways to do that. This is the one of the easiest method. If it contains only one line item, then this number is enough. If I will press enter, it will automatically. But if contains more than, then at the time you have to give the request number, item number also. Okay, let it just, as I know it contains only one line item. Okay, so you can see the data that are there in the purchase requisition are copied over here. It was a Lenovo laptop or a material group. If you have not seen the video, I request you to go and see what I have created over there. And through that PR number, I'm creating a PO. Okay, it is without material code. Okay, material code is when we require, like we purchase something for stocks, or you can say a regular item. At that time we create a material master for that, and just material number is enough to get all this data. But when you don't, when you are purchasing anything new, or you have not purchased it in the past, or you do not have the material code, at that time we use this method. Okay, we will see the how we create through material number in our next videos. Okay, now I have to choose the vendor. Okay, okay, I have to choose the vendor. Who is the vendor? Okay, here. So we have an option of double spin. We can search from here, or if you know the vendor code, you can directly type it over here. Okay, let let the vendor name, any name you can take. It should be in the master data. First of all, you have to create a vendor code. It depends on the organization in which you are working, how the vendor registration process is done, what are the document required. But before creating a purchase order, you should have vendor code created in the system and linked to your SAP system if you are working in SAP. Okay, so suppose let I will search for HP. If it is in the system, I will able to find HP. Or I want Lenovo laptop, I will search for Lenovo. If it is there in the system, I will able to see it. I think I have for many countries, like I want to select for bank. Now after entering the vendor code, okay, after entering the vendor code, issue. Yeah, we have got all the details like the valuation and all. The value is 50,000 one piece, all the details, but we are getting one error. Because if you see the error, it depends again on the organization, the errors are. NB, I have created the PR in NB, okay, document type, but purchase order I am creating on YFKB. So what I can do, I can go to this purchase requisition, okay, or I can edit it. Let edit it. I know, let convert into IFKB, because that format need to be okay. I am already processing, that's why it's not allowing me to do that. So let's try to make the purchase order in NB only. So both should match. Okay, NB, standard view. Okay. Now you can see. It depends again on the organization. It's depend again on the organization. Okay. Now here you will write the payment terms, whatever data, whatever if you say like when you are doing the vendor register, at that time you have selected or you have asked the vendor what should be your ideal or your ideal payment terms. So at that time maybe they have given 30 days, so we use N030. Okay, if it is 50 days, N015. If you want to make the payment immediate, N00. If you want to make the advance payments, then you it depend again on the organization. Okay, T001 as per annexure. Everything, every term has their own meaning. If you want, if some organization or some companies allowed, like if you pay immediately, we will give you a 2% discount. So such configuration all can be done. Okay, in core terms, where should we it delivered? Okay, delivered at terminal, delivered at place, or delivered at warehouse. So we have many in core terms. So here what I am doing, I am taking like, okay, do the payment in 30 days. Depending on this payment term only, the vendor will get the payment, and income a destination at place I have used, and I will write the location that I want the delivery in Bangalore head office. Okay, so when the PO is created, at that time all the billing, all the details, all are predefined, like all our setup is done. Okay, so this is the basic data you have to enter, like just payment terms, and also the taxes, that the invoice. What is the taxes? Here in India we have a tax of you can say a tax GST structure. So I know the laptop GST is uh, and 18%. So we have done the configuration, like for 18% we have G4. If it is CGST, SGST, okay, 9% CGST or SGST, because we are getting the delivery at our Bangalore office, and the vendor is also a Bangalore. That means both are from the same state. At that time we use CGST, SGST. Okay, I will make a different video of taxation part, how it works and what is IGST and what are the percentage slabs and all. Okay, so G4 here we have to use because we are the vendor is also in the same state and we want the delivery also in the same state. So I have used G4. G4 is for 9% CGST and 9% SGST, that is GST taxes, central and local taxes. Okay, state goods services taxes and central goods services and taxes. Okay, now you have, if you want to do the GRN of this, you have to go to the delivery and you have to tick this, that you want the receipt of this goods. Okay, some companies do it for all the things, but some companies only for the asset type. Okay, now we have if you want to go give more details, like to the supplier, so like whatever it is there in the requisition, it get copied over here. If you want delivery text, where you want the delivery, you can write it, or by when you can want delivery to Bangalore head office. Bangalore head office. Okay, you can give such interest instruction. Okay, so we have many options over here. Okay, now you can also change the delivery address and all, who is the requisitioner, who is the customer. So depending on your requirement, but these are the basic detail. If it is coming in yellow, that means you have inputted the correct data. Okay, now I will save the purchase order. You can see a purchase order is created, a standard PO is created. We will double click and we will copy this number somewhere. Okay, I think you like the video. If you like, please share this video to your friends, and please do not subscribe, forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.